السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تأكلوا الربا أضعافا مضاعفة. لا تأكلوا الربا أضعافا مضاعفة. Yeah will be 4 counts long and it will be light. Hamza is very sharp attached with There is the place where you will create nabar. When you are attaching Hamza with this is the place where you will apply nabar. You for the circle your lips. Hal, there is no misty sound attached with lam. Hal, la is short. The 2 counts long. Na short. Hamza is 2 counts long. Ma short. Noon, circle your lips for dhamma and it make it 2 counts long. La, 2 counts long. Ta is very sharp. Even Hamza is sharp. So give a very sharp sound. Sharp sound means you will cut the sound right away. Ta, ku, for dhamma, circle your lips. And the sound is short. Lur. And attach lam with ra. Ra will be light here because there is kasra under it. Lurri, la ta'kulurri. Ri is short and the sound is very light. Boo, 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. Attach with dod. Dod will get sifa of rakhawa, and this is istitala actually. Ayn from your throat at 2 counts long. Fam, idgham with gunna, so give akmal gunna. Fam, for dhamma, circle lips, and the sound is very short for dhamma. Dha is heavy and 2 counts long. From your throat, ayn is short. Fam. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short, and change this sound of ta into ha because you are giving sukoon at the end. Fam. مضاعفة. What for wow, circle your lips attached with ta will get sifa. The sound is very sharp. What ta is fatha is short. Allah, for dhamma, circle your lips attached with lafz jalala will be heavy because you can see dhamma before it and it will be 2 counts long. Allah, ha is short, la short. Al, and from your throat attached with lam will la for fatha, the sound is very short. Kum for the circle lips attached with mim will get sifa of tawassut. Kum, tuf for the circle lips attached with fa will get sifa of hams. Yes, tuf li for kasra give e sound. Hoon, 4 counts long and get tawassut at the end when you are giving sukoon here. Tuflihun. What for wow, circle your lips attached with ta. What ta is short, fatha is short. Un for dhamma, circle your lips attached with noon will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna. Unna, na is 2 counts long. Ra will be heavy and attached with la. La is short. T, 4 counts long. For the circle your lips, the sound is very sharp. Id, for kasra give e sound from your throat. That give hums, very nice hums on ta. That lil, for kasra give e sound attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut. Lil, ka is 2 counts long. Fi, give nice hums on fa. Rin, 4 counts long and give tawassut